Since his demotion from the Zimbabwe National Army and the reassignment to civilian life, Lieutenant General retired Anselm Sanyatwe has increasingly found himself in the public eye, this time not in military fatigues, but as the new Minister of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture. Sanabina mashoko kudanyuka achinzi aiwa General Sanyatwe uya kunda among ministers. In other words, we can say he has outshined other ministers. Vagara varimo ndoti subscribe on the bell kuti pira pana pamuna umobulanyika unzinzi Sanyatwe's demotion marks the latest chapter in a gradual political fall from grace. Once a powerful figure in Zimbabwe's military and political establishment, he was a central player during the 2017 coup that ousted long-term ruler Robert Mugabe. He later served as Zimbabwe's ambassador to Tanzania before being recalled in January 2024 under murky circumstances. His reassignment to a ministerial post, widely seen as a further sidelining, came amid a reshuffle that they removed him from strategic security structures and placed him in a less politically sensitive portfolio. Despite this, Sanyatwe has remained unusually visible and vocal. Last week, he toured the controversial HAASI Stadium and a hotel in Waterfalls, owned by self-proclaimed prophet and convicted fraudster Oita Zvake Zviya, raising eyebrows about the minister's choice of company. He also made headlines after controlling the contractor in charge of renovating the National Sports Stadium, reportedly telling them to shape up or ship out, a statement that signaled his intention to shake up the country's troubled sports infrastructure. Domashwara mudaiko panguva inezvinzi awa Sanyatwe okunda mamwe ministers just because kungo yako aita arikuita mabasa anoshamisa, but at the same time we are seeing kuti kunyange zvake arikuita mabasa anoshamisa, right now he is being fired na bombshell Geza. Yesterday bombshell Geza in his address akaita mashoko ati vana Sanyatwe maangogarira mahara just because taraya other sections of the country everything is just dilapidated. Our country panguva ino iri kuenda kwamupfiganebwe, hapana kana chakanaka chiri kuitika. You the generals ndimakaisa our this leadership iripo, current leadership iripo, but huna zvayakonzeresa. Why are you remaining quiet? Vacho vatiri kuona kuti vana Sanyatwe nyange vari kuita mabasa anoshamisa, but panguva ino vanhu havasi kuona kukosha kwawo kana kunaka kwawo just because pane action yavari kutarisirwa kuita havasi kuita. Bring comment section medu nzimafundo eyu kuti udi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.